Good morning, dear students. So, dear student, today we will continue our chapter 4, our dresses, and we are doing exercise of this lesson. And today I am going to discuss exercise B, which is given on page number 29. Okay, these are fill in the blanks. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, most Indian men wear trousers and jeans with. Most Indian men wear trousers and jeans with. Yes, it's t-shirt. SHIRTS, shirts. Most Indian men wear trousers and jeans with shirt. Number 2. Dash is worn all over India. It's sari. SAREE, sari. Sari is worn all over India. Number 3. Some dresses are linked with some dash. Some dashes are linked with some occupation. OCCUPATIONS, occupations. Some dresses are linked with some occupations. Now, 4. The dresses of the people depend on the dash. So, it's climate. CLIMATE, climate. The dresses of the people depend on the climate. 5th, most schools children wear dash. The most school children wear uniform. UNIFORM, uniform. So most school children wear uniform. So dear student, here we have done exercise B. Now I am going to discuss exercise C. Match the followings. Number 1, Tamil Nadu. We all know that in Tamil Nadu, the men wear lungis. What they wear? They wear lungi. Match A with D. Now, Kashmir. We know the men and women wear fair. So, you will match with E. Number 2 with E. Kashmir. The people wear fair. Now, Maharashtra. So, what they wear? They wear kurta pajama. So, you will match with option C, kurta pajama. Option 4 is Assam. What the women wear in Assam? Yes, they wear Melkha Chadar. Match with A. Mekhla Chadar. Fifth is Rajasthan. We know in Rajasthan women wear Ghagra Choli. Okay, so we have done match here. Tamil Nadu Lungi, Kashmir Feran, Maharashtra Kurta Pajama, Assam Mekhla Chadar, and Rajasthan Ghagra Choli. Now I am going to discuss question answer of this lesson. D. Exercise D. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Which two main factors are responsible for dresses of people? Which two main factors are responsible for dresses of people? The answer is two main factors are. The two main factors are number 1, climate. Number 2, culture and tradition of the people. Culture and tradition of the people. So two main factors are climate and the culture and tradition of the people. Question number 2. Why is there a great variety in dresses in India? Why is there a great variety in dresses in India? The answer is there is a great variety in dresses in India due to climate, culture and tradition of people. There is a great variety in dresses in India due to climate, culture and tradition of the people. Question number 3. Name two state of India having hot and humid climate. What types of dresses are worn there? Name two state of India having hot and humid climate. What type of dresses are worn there? The answer is Tamil Nadu and Kerala are two states of India having hot and humid climate. Tamil Nadu and Kerala are two states of India having hot and humid climate. Point 2. The men wear cotton shirt with lungi, and women wear sari or lungi with blouse. The men wear cotton shirt with lungi and women wear sari or lungi with blouse. Now question number 4. Mention 4 types of material used for making dresses. Mention 4 different types of material used for making dresses. The answer is different types of material used for making dresses are. Different types of materials used for making dresses are. Number 1, cotton. 2, wool. 3, silk. Number 4, nylon. So cotton, wool, silk and nylon. Question number 5. Name the dress that you like to wear for special occasion. Name the dress that you like to wear for special occasion. I would like to wear. Dear student, I have left the space. So you will write the dress you want to wear for special occasion. आप उस ड्रेस का नाम यहाँ पे फिल करोगे जो कि आप स्पेशल ओकेज़न पर पहनना चाहते हैं. सपोज आई वुड लाइक टू वेयर सलवार कमीज़ फॉर स्पेशल ओकेज़न. सो जो बॉयज़ हैं वो अपनी पसंद की ड्रेस फिल कर देंगे और जो गर्ल्स हैं वो अपनी पसंद की ड्रेस यहाँ पर का नेम यहाँ लिख देंगे. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. मोर एंड more people are wearing western clothes these days. Comment. More and more people are wearing western clothes these days. Comment. The answer is more and more people are wearing western clothes these days because they find them comfortable in it. So more and more people are wearing western clothes these days because they find them comfortable in it. So dear student, here we have done question answer of this lesson. Now I am going to discuss map skill of this lesson, which is given on page number 31. What will you do? You will find this state on Indian political map like Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Assam, Karnataka, Haryana and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and you will use color to fill these states. आप कलर्स को यूज़ करेंगे इन स्टेट को फिल करने के लिए. और जो पॉलिटिकल मैप है आप अपनी एसएसटी की नोटबुक पे पेस्ट कर देंगे. दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.